Hi everyone, this week you're going to be looking at the spelling pattern OA that makes the O sound. So the first word we're going to look at is boat. So everybody say boat. In boat, the digraph in the middle of the OA makes the O sound. So if I was to put that in a sentence, I could say, we went fishing on a boat. So now to analyze the word, we'll break it down into its sound. So, but, O, so B, O, T. The letters are B, O, A, T. So the part we need to remember in this word is the digraph OA that makes the O sound. Our second word is road. Everybody say road. If I was to put that in a sentence, I could say, we drive our cars or we ride our bikes on the road. Now to analyze the word, we break it down so we say O, D. So three sounds. O, D. The letters that make up the word road are O, A, D. Once again, the part we need to remember is the OA digraph making the O sound. Our third word we're going to look at is the word coat. So everybody say coat. So if I was to put that in the sentence, might say, in winter, we wear a warm coat. So let's break up the word. So we say K, O, T. So we have three sounds, K, O, T. Now, the letters that make up the word coat are C, O, A, T. Again, the part we need to remember, the tricky part is the OA digraph that makes the O sound. Our next word is soap. So everybody say soap. If I was to put that in a sentence, I might say, we wash ourselves with soap in the shower. Now let's analyze the word and break it up into sounds and letters. So soap, O, P. So O. So it has three sounds, and the letters that make up soap are S, O, A, P. Remembering that the OA digraph in the middle makes the O sound. Our last word that we'll look at is the word load. So everybody say load. So if I was to put that in a sentence, we could say, we might put a load of washing in the machine. So let's break it up. So load, U, O, D. So three sounds, U, O, D. So it has L, O, A, D. So three sounds and four letters. Remembering that the OA digraph makes the O sound. So for your spelling for this week, you'll need to select two red words, two green words, and two orange words and practice those for every activity this week.